Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Fluent Vibes English podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Vibes English Podcasts channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our fantastic listeners. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
It is always great to see you, Ellie. But are you okay? You are moving a little slowly today.
Oh, Sarah, you noticed. Yes, I am moving slowly. My legs hurt.
Your legs hurt? Why? Did you fall?
No. I went to the gym yesterday.
Ah, the gym.
Yes, I decided to start exercising again. I lifted weights. I ran on the treadmill.
Wow, good for you, Ali.
Thank you. But today, ouch, my muscles are very angry with me.
Uh-huh. I understand. But you know the famous saying, right?
Which thing?
No pain, no gain.
Ah, yes. No pain, no gain. It is a very famous phrase in English.
It is, and it is perfect for our topic today.
Oh, what is our topic?
Today, we are going to talk about doing difficult things. We are talking about fitness and English.
Fitness and English. That is an interesting combination.
Yes, because learning English is just like going to the gym.
I think I understand. But before we talk about muscles and grammar, we have a favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a second to subscribe to the Fluent Vibes English Podcasts channel.
And please give us a like. It really helps us find more students like you.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe you have a friend who goes to the gym or studies English.
Yes, share it with them. Okay, Sarah. I am ready. My legs hurt, but my brain is ready.
Great. So, Ali, you went to the gym. It was hard, right?
It was very hard. I was sweating. I was tired. I wanted to stop.
But you didn't stop. Why?
Because I want to be healthy. I want to be strong.
Exactly. You want the result, the gain.
Yes. The pain is the tired muscles. The gain is the strong body.
Perfect. Now, think about learning English.
Okay. Thinking about English.
Is learning English always easy and fun?
Honestly, no.
That is an honest answer.
Sometimes it is fun. I like talking to you. I like watching movies.
But
sometimes it is hard. Memorizing irregular verbs, that is painful.
yes, irregular verbs are like lifting heavy weights. It is not always fun.
And grammar rules, sometimes my brain feels tired, just like my legs feel tired today.
That is a perfect comparison, Ali. Your brain is a muscle.
My brain is a muscle. I like that.
Yes, when you study English, you are exercising your brain.
So, if my head hurts a little bit after studying, that is a good thing?
Exactly. It means you're learning. It is good pain.
No pain, no gain.
Yes. If you only do easy things, you do not grow.
That is true at the gym. If I lift a pencil, it is easy, but I do not get big muscles.
And in English, if you only say hello and goodbye, it is easy, but you do not learn to speak fluently.
You have to try the hard words. You have to try the difficult sentences.
Yes. And Ali, what is the scary part of the gym?
Maybe looking foolish?
Yes. Maybe you do not know how to use a machine or you drop the weights.
Oh, yes, that is embarrassing.
And in English, what is the scary part?
Definitely speaking,
Why?
because I might make a mistake. People might not understand me. That feels uncomfortable.
Yes, it feels uncomfortable. It is painful for our ego.
Yes, nobody likes to make mistakes.
But remember our topic. No pain, no gain. If you are scared to speak, you will not improve. You must feel the fear and do it anyway.
Wow, that is powerful. Feel the fear.
Yes, the discomfort means you are pushing yourself. You are leaving your comfort zone.
So, when I speak to a waiter or a tourist and I feel nervous,
That is your workout. That nervousness is the sweat of learning English.
The sweat of learning English. I love that.
So let's give our listeners some tips. How can they train like an athlete?
Good idea. Tip number 1, I think, is consistency.
Consistency. That is a big word. What does it mean?
It means doing it regularly. I cannot go to the gym one time and get strong.
No, you must go 3 or 4 times a week.
Exactly. And English is the same. You cannot study for 5 hours on Sunday and then stop.
That is true. It is better to study for 20 minutes every day.
Just 20 minutes?
Yes, 20 minutes every day is better than nothing for 6 days.
I do not like fees. Haha, I will pack light.
Good idea. Now, at the check-in counter, they might ask you a very important question about your seat.
About my seat? Like what?
They will ask, would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window or aisle?
The window seat is next to the window. You can see the clouds.
That's nice. I like looking at the clouds.
But the aisle seat is next to the walkway. It's easier to stand up and walk around.
Ah, that is good for long legs. I think I like the aisle seat.
Okay, so you can say, an aisle seat, please.
An aisle seat, please. I will remember that.
Great. After you check your bags and get your seat, they give you a piece of paper. Do you know the name?
Is it a ticket?
Sort of. It's called a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Okay.
This is your key to the plane. Do not lose it.
I will put it in my pocket or my passport.
Good plan. Now comes the part that makes everyone nervous.
Security?
Yes, the security checkpoint.
Ah, I get nervous just thinking about it. Everyone is moving fast.
I know, but if you are prepared, it's easy. You have to put your things in a plastic box. It's called a tray or a bin.
A tray, okay. What do I put in the tray?
You put your carry-on bag, you put your phone, your keys, your wallet, and your laptop.
My computer?
Yes, you must take your laptop out of your bag. It needs its own tray.
That is a good tip. I always forget that.
And usually you need to take off your belt and your shoes.
My shoes? In the airport?
Uh-huh, yes. It is funny, but it is for safety. So, here is a pro tip. Wear comfortable shoes.
Easy shoes. No boots with many laces.
Exactly. Slip-on shoes are the best.
And what about water? Can I bring my water bottle?
No, that is a big rule. No liquids over 100 milliliters.
So I have to finish my water before security.
Yes. Drink it or throw it away. You can buy more water inside.
Okay. No water, shoes off, laptop out, and...
You can. You walk through the metal detector. Beep.
Haha. Hopefully no beep.
Hopefully. And then you are airside. You are inside the terminal.
The hard part is finished.
Yes. Now you can relax a little. You need to find your gate.
The gate. That is the door to the plane.
Yes. Your boarding pass has a number like gate B42.
Okay. I will look for the signs. B42. B42. Found it.
Good job. Now usually you have some time before the flight.
I like this time. This is when I get a coffee.
Uh-huh. Of course. Coffee is part of the travel routine.
It is. I buy a coffee, maybe a sandwich, and I sit near the gate.
It is smart to sit near the gate. You need to listen for announcements.
Announcements. Like flight 123 is now boarding?
Yes, or sometimes Flight 123 is delayed.
Oh, no. Delayed? That is a sad word.
It is. Delayed means it is late. On time means it is good. Canceled means,
Go home?
sadly, yes. But let's imagine our flight is on time.
Perfect. On time.
Eventually, the agent will say, "We are now boarding."
Boarding. That means getting on the plane.
Yes, you show your boarding pass one more time. You walk down the long tunnel.
The jet bridge.
Yes, and you step onto the plane. The flight attendants are there.
They always smile and say hello.
They do. You say hello back. Then you find your seat, 14C, the aisle seat.
My favorite seat. I sit down, I put my seatbelt on,
Fasten your seatbelt, that is the phrase.
fasten my seatbelt. Click.
And then you fly.
Into the sky.
Exactly. But the routine is not finished yet. After the flight, you land.
We arrive.
Yes. If you are in a different country, you have one more stop: immigration or passport control.
Ah, yes. The offices and the booths.
They will check your passport again, and they will ask you questions.
Questions. What do they ask?
The most common question is, what is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose?
That means, why are you here?
Yes, and you need a simple answer.
Can I say vacation?
Yes, vacation or tourism is perfect.
What if I'm there for work?
Then you say business.
Okay, vacation or business. Simple.
And they might ask, how long are you staying?
1 week or 10 days?
Perfect. Keep your answers short and honest.
Short and honest. Got it.
After immigration, you go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim. This is where my big suitcase comes back.
Yes, you wait at the carousel, the moving belt,
I watch all the bags go round and round.
until you see yours. You grab your bag and you walk through customs.
Customs. That is the last door.
Yes, usually if you have nothing strange in your bag, you just walk through the green door. Nothing to declare.
And then I am outside.
You are. You did it. You survived the airport.
Wow. When we talk about it like this, step by step, it is not so scary.
It really isn't. It is just a series of small steps. Check-in, security, gate, boarding, arrival.
And knowing the words in English helps a lot. Boarding pass, carry on, gate.
It makes you feel confident. You know what is happening.
I feel much better, Sarah. I think I am ready to book my vacation now.
That is fantastic news. Where will you go?
Maybe Hawaii or Spain?
Both are amazing choices. I want to come too.
Uh-huh. You can carry my bags.
Hey, I don't think so.
Just kidding, Sarah. But really, this was very helpful. I hope our listeners feel ready to travel too.
I hope so too. Traveling is such a wonderful way to practice English.
It is. You talk to real people in real situations.
So, Ollie, we're at the end of our airport journey today.
We are. Time flies when you're having fun or fly.
Good one, Ollie. Before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know, do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Aha, that is the classic debate. Window or aisle?
Tell us in the comments below. Right, I prefer the window because, or I prefer the aisle because.
We love reading your reasons. Some of them are very funny.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Vibes English podcast channel so you don't miss our next adventure.
And share this video with your travel buddy.
Thank you so much for listening today. Safe travels, everyone.
Have a wonderful trip. Bye for now.
Goodbye. See you next time.